Give me a second. Stream. I think I'm live. Let me actually click on the video here. Let me see if I can. Just give me a second. I'm still testing this thing out here on YouTube, guys. So give me a second to the live video. So that's pretty cool. I guess I'm streaming live somewhere. Just bear with me, all right? Let me see, guys. All right, streaming. It says I'm live. How do I get the all right, let's see if I can find it like this, right? All right, get the there it is. So let me come over here, let me share it in the Facebook group. Paste. Oh, let me see, guys, just give me a second. This is my first time broadcasting live here using I am live on YouTube, right? Post. All right, cool. This is the first time I use YouTube live. It's pretty cool. I like it. Let's see, guys, just give me a second. This is my first time broadcasting. Look like it's working pretty good. For some reason, I see myself frozen in there. Everything's moving pretty good over here. Let me minimize again. It could be my Wi-Fi, guys. I want to apologize for that, but listen, guys, in this video I'm going to show you how it says live stream health, kind of low output. Of course, this Wi-Fi thing is not working that good for me today. Just let me see. Just bear with me. Once again, technology, right? Technology at its finest. I want to show you guys some things today, but it seems like I'm going to have to start all over today. No, it's working pretty good now. Let me see. All right, guys. Well, I want to apologize for that. It seems like it's working pretty good. This is the first time I use this. I'm actually 5 people watching. Awesome. Welcome aboard. Cool. All right. Let's get right to it, right, guys? If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm actually going to minimize myself. That way I don't take most of the screen, all right? So I'm just going to minimize myself. I'm still here. I'm here to help you guys. There's people, I've been getting calls from different people around the world. I want to say thank you for reaching out. Everything that I do to help you build your online list, right? You have to build a list if you want to be successful online, guys. Let me actually log in to my account. I've been in the Powerly system for not even a year, all right? Just been building my list. The last couple of days has been a little slow. I've been going through some things here, doing some stuff around the house. So I kind of like took a little time off, but guys, here I am again making videos. You want to keep building your list on a daily basis. Let me see here. I got to do. All right, got Karen. I'll get back to her in a minute. But guys, what you want to do is build your list on a daily basis as much as possible. As you can see, sometimes things happen in life, right, where you can't always be working, right? So you have to enjoy life. You have to do certain things. You have to take time off, just because, right? You got to enjoy life. But in this video, guys, I titled it. Let me see, guys, what I titled the video: How to build a list and drive traffic to promote your online business, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you what you need, right? To capture leads, you need a capture page. I'm on live on YouTube, so I'm going to have to share. Let me actually open with Paint, all right? I'm going to open this picture with Paint. That's me right there, guys. To drive traffic to your capture page, right? You want to watch this video because I'm going to explain to you the basics of how you can actually build residual income. Maybe build a team, build a list, and get sales. All right, as your list grows, you're going to get more sales. Now, if you're new and you're just starting out, it's going to be kind of hard for you to start getting sales right away. But if you don't build a list, you're probably not making sales anyways, right? So might as well get started, get started on building a list. And it works like this, guys. I'm just going to share it. 3 simple steps that I've been showing people for the last few months. Once I started following this strategy myself, I started seeing success from different businesses, different programs. It doesn't matter, right? What it is traffic, guys. You need traffic, right? Without traffic, see, traffic is the life source of any business, whether it's online, offline, it doesn't matter, right? If you open a brick and mortar store, and if you're in a little town, okay, maybe you're not on Main Street, you might be out, right, towards the end of town. Unless if you're really popular, if you have some good stuff to sell, more than likely you're going to go bankrupt, right? You're going to go out of business because you don't have no traffic. You don't have people visiting. Now, if you have the same store on Main Street, right in the heart of your little town, even you might not have the best, whatever it is that you're selling, but you're going to get so many people in your business, around your business, they're going to see what you're selling, what you're offering, and eventually you will get customers, okay? And then you get feedback, and you can always improve whatever it is that you're selling, right? But and that's what the system is, guys. The next step is a system that you want to have in place. That way it works for you, all right? I like to call it a system that duplicates because, and I misspelled that, of course, because this system duplicates, guys, because it has an affiliate program. So this is a business itself. And then over here on this side, you have a business or businesses, okay? It doesn't matter. It could be any program, any affiliate. And I'm going to get to that point in a second. So I have to explain the basics, guys. So if you've been following me for a while and you know what I'm talking about, maybe go grab something to drink, okay? Because I'm going to be talking to the new people watching the video. The traffic, it could be free traffic. It could be paid traffic. And that's pretty much all the traffic you can get, right? It's either free, you either meet them on the street, or you post ads on Facebook, Instagram, Backpage, Craigslist. It doesn't matter. You might make a video like this one, right? It's free on YouTube. Actually, we don't have to pay YouTube yet, but eventually, I think companies get greedy and to the point where they want to make some money also, right? But right now, it's free. So if you make a video, it can also help your business, all right? Because you can actually make a review about it. You can talk about it. Just offer your best opinion or advice on how to use the system or program that you might be selling, or that you might want to get more people involved with, right? So the traffic, we want to drive the traffic into a system. A lot of people drive traffic, whether it's free or paid, they will drive it straight to the business, all right? So for example, let's say I'm with the Powerly system. Instead of driving people to the Powerly system itself, right? To the sales page without building a list, that's a big no-no, right? You want to drive it to a capture page, and that's what the system provides for you, which is also the Powerly system, but the system has capture pages, right? You want to drive them to a system that's in place to collect leads, all right? So you want to drive people to your system, which is just a capture page, all right? It's a capture page designed for one purpose: to build and capture emails, okay, or a list. Now, a list is just potential people who are interested in whatever topic you might be talking about, or who might be interested in looking more or finding out more, maybe getting some free stuff from you, okay? Now, if you offer trainings, bonuses, I think it will help your online business grow even more, because you're giving something out of value besides what the businesses offer, okay? So hopefully it makes sense. But this system duplicates because it has a tremendous compensation plan. I like the system, guys. Today, actually, I logged in a little while in the back office, and I want to say congratulations to Jim Hall. He has some good sales. Had somebody join his team, so awesome. Congratulations. Not only him, there's people all over the world that I have on my team who are driving traffic to their capture page, which is their system, collecting leads. And then the system itself has email follow-ups that will do all the selling and telling for you, all right? So that's the beauty about this system. And then from there, guys, once you have people in your list, you can send them wherever you want, all right? That's what a lot of people don't understand, is that when people drive traffic to their business without sending them to a capture page, what's going to happen is that if that person don't buy, and most people don't, right? But if that person don't buy when they see your business, then you lost that person forever. But if that's why it's important to bring them to a capture page, that way you can collect emails, names, phone numbers, whatever you want, right? It's up to you. That way you can send out emails in the future to whatever business you want. Just by sending an email, I can be promoting something over here. I have a company that I promote. It's called Four Corners, all right? I'll also promote some MPA, all right? I'm not going to give out the names and stuff, but that's what I do, right? And what I do is I just send out an email and promote something else, right? Or send out an email and promote something else. And that's how you're going to have major success online, is by having an email list. A lot of people who are new to marketing, they don't know the concept of building a list. It's very crucial and very important you build a list, all right? Because that's how you're going to get sales. Maybe not right away, and sometimes people do sign up right away. It depends on the person who might see your video, who might open your emails, who might become your subscriber, right? If you offer value, like I said, if you provide trainings, and if you're being honest with them, I think they'll see through, and then eventually either partner up with you, maybe you get more sales. Another company I promote is ClickBank. It's another company. It's a free marketplace. A lot of people know ClickBank. And all you do is just send out emails to your list. That's it. So the important thing here is to build a list. And that's why we use the Powerly system. So if I come back here, this is the system I use, guys. It's Powerly system. You can build all kinds of sales funnels, capture pages. And now they have the blog with the themes. I'm going to be making more videos on that to come. All right. So all the tools and whistles are in here with the Powerly system. Now there's an option. You can start for $7. It's kind of limited because it's the basic program, but they do provide a capture page where if I come over here to the getting started, click the easy button, right? You'll get this if you sign up for $7 one time. It's called Lead Lightning, which is part of the Powerly system, but it's the basic. All right. What happens is you pay your $7. You're going to get a sales funnel, which you can actually promote any business you want, right? I'm actually promoting the Powerly system within the Powerly system. Well, Lead Lightning, right, within the Powerly system. But you'll get a capture page. Of course, this is my link, but once you sign up for $7, you'll get your own capture page, which is similar to this one. And hopefully I'm live. It seems like, let me see here. Awesome. It looks good. Actually, what I'm going to do, probably I'll delete myself. Let me see, video capture, remove. Yep. All right, guys. So I'm away, right? Awesome. But what's going to happen is you're going to get this link, right? Let me see here. And my Wi-Fi might be down a little bit here. Let me see here a second. Sometimes when you broadcast live. All right. Anyways, you'll get your own capture page link. You can promote any company business you want here, right? And then through the emails, once I said I'm going to drive traffic, whether it's free or paid, to my system, which is just a capture page where I'm going to be building a list of subscribers. And then from there, with this capture page, you can actually promote. So if I want to promote a different company, all I got to do is go and grab my link from the company, right? And put it back here, right here in this space in here. Hit update. Okay, and then I can test my link here. But what's going to happen is all I got to do is promote this link right here, which is referral link B, and it's going to promote the system itself, which is Lead Lightning, right? Every time I sell the system, I get $6 commission, and I can also promote my company in the back end through emails, right? Through email follow-ups. And for some reason, it's still not popping up. Let me try this link. No. Guys, I want to apologize. It could be my internet, as you can see, is messing up a little bit. Low connection, but it's working pretty good. People watching, awesome, cool, guys. And then what you got to do is drive traffic, right? You want to drive traffic. I use this company called Udemy.com, and you can see there's no internet connection. Maybe because I'm running this live streaming thing. me see. Getting started. All right, maybe I can just do the webinar here. So this is what's going to happen, right? This is the model. I'm just going to resize this pixels. I'm going to bring it down to about 900. It's going to be real small, so it's pretty cool. All right, so this is the system. That's the process, right? Now, in order to get the traffic, like I said, I use a company where I get solo ads, okay? And then from there, what's going to happen is a solo ad is just an email, right? There's a list of marketers who have a list. They have a large amount of lists. So if we send out an email, we want to send out the email. When we buy these email solo ads, we want to send it to the capture page to build our list, okay? Build a list, all right? And then what's going to happen is once you build your list, then they'll become your subscriber, right? So I'm going to put subs right here. Okay, they're going to become your subscriber. And then from there, as you build your list, the more subscribers you get, eventually through the system itself, if you become either a silver or a gold member, as you can see, I don't have, I'm going to have to come back. It seems like I'm live here, right? But I'll just do, for some reason, I can't go back there. But once you have a list, okay, this is how you're going to grow your business or sales. Then you start sending emails, okay? You start sending emails, all right? You just create a simple email, send it out and promote your businesses through emails. It's called email marketing, guys. Simple concept. A lot of people don't know how to use it, how to build it, because they're not aware of how to build a list. They don't even know the meaning of a capture page. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is real slow. For some reason, this webinar is going to suck, guys, but I'm not getting no connection. So it seems like I'm live here, so awesome. If you guys are watching on YouTube, guys, let me see, 5 people watching, awesome. No messages yet, cool. That's how you build. That's how I get sales on different businesses, guys. I get people to partner up with me in different opportunities because they become my subscriber. All I do is shoot out a quick email. I can provide different trainings, I can give them a free ebook or something. You just want to provide value, all right? Once again, you drive traffic, okay, whether it's free, whether it's paid, into your system, which is just a capture page. And I wanted to do everything in this video, right? But for some reason, let me see if it will start coming back here in a second. I wanted to show you where I get the traffic. I want to show you where different sources. And for some reason, I'm not even getting anything in here. As you can see, I'm able to reconnect. Unbelievable. It seems like this live YouTube video output is low. For some reason, it's draining all the power. You must be, I guess it's powerful, I guess, but it's too powerful. I'm just trying to see if I can come back, guys. If not, I'm gonna have to maybe shoot a video, maybe not even use this live feature, right? Because I'm broadcasting live through the OBS, which is pretty good software, right? I can do the Facebook broadcast, but for some reason, it's not even letting me. Unbelievable. Oh, there it is. Well, let me see if let me see, guys. Give me a second. See if I get some signal here. All right, it looked like I'm starting to get some signal. All right, so it looked like I'm gonna go ahead and go for it, right? Hopefully it stays on for a little while longer while I do this webinar. But once you join the team, guys, if you start at $7, once again, you're just gonna get a simple capture page, but it's very powerful, right? You can actually start building your list for $7. Visit my website, tjflores.com. As you can see, you're gonna get access to this capture page. It's got the pop-up box. Where you can actually start collecting emails, right? You can start collecting emails from people who might be interested in whatever you're promoting, whenever you make a video, whatever you post on Backpage or Craigslist, it doesn't matter, right? And like I said, you can promote. Once you become my subscriber, guys, you're gonna actually get to see Todd Grows here, which is this is the part of the Power Lead system. It's called Lead Lightning. This is the $7 program. It comes like it's easy to use. Build your buyers list, as you can see. There's no monthly fees if you stay at the $7 program. You can actually boost your sales, right? Because it's going to have a sales funnel. It generates daily commissions if you promote your link, all right? Don't think you're gonna come in here and start getting free leads. It don't happen. You gotta promote your business. You can build a targeted list of buyers. Of course, if you do the training that I provide for you, you will get a targeted list of buyers. Having success even as a beginner, and that's true. I have a lot of new people who never made money online before start making sales. It will boost your sales for your business. I got people to sign up with me in different businesses doing this. You're going to get free training, guys. Plus, you're going to get my bonuses if you join the team. And I'm going to show you what I do here in this video. Hopefully, it stays long enough. And a lot more, right? It's only $7 one time. As you can see, it's got a ready-to-go sales funnel, guys, all right? So it's done for you, autoresponder campaigns. You cannot edit any of the stuff. Contact manager system. You can see who's opting in, who's not. Additional marketing help. Once you start making commissions, you can actually activate your e-wallet. Instant $6 commissions every time you get a $7 buyer. Commission tracking, traffic training, business in a box, and beginner friendly, guys. All this stuff is true, guys. Make a $6 commission every time you get a $7 buyer. And of course, if you want to unlock huge daily commissions, then and get the residual income, you have to upgrade. It's like any other program. They do have upsells. There's some testimonials here from people in the team. $7 will get you started with the system. But if you want to have total access, like the one that I use, right? It's a gold member. I recommend you go gold eventually in the future. But you got to start somewhere, right? So if you're new, you can actually start driving traffic to a system that'll cost $7. And of course, it's going to be big, right? $7 is going to cost you, and you can earn unlimited $6 commissions for life, guys. How powerful is that, right? This is a pretty good system. Let me see here. So all you got to do is promote your link, put your company, whatever it is that you're promoting, whatever business is out there, put your link here in the box, hit update, and then once you start getting traffic, and I'm going to show you how I get traffic right in this video. Like I said, I'm live on YouTube, right? So what I did, let me slow down. What I do is I put whatever I want to promote here, right? Whatever company you want to promote. And I'm going to promote referral link B, which is in the back office. Once you join the team, you're going to see how this works. All you got to do is put your company here, hit update. You can click the link here to see if it works or not, right? It's going to work for you, but you want to test it and make sure that it's going into the right place, all right? And then all you do is you actually click on your link, and this is actually my link, but once you get this capture page, all you got to do is copy, and I'm going to leave it open, all right? I'm just going to leave it open for now, and what I'm going to do, if you decide to join the team, guys, I actually provide a free training website. As you can see right here, it's going to be password protected. Not everybody has access. You got to join the team. I have a welcome video. I show you how you can start getting solo ads, how to start getting Facebook ads, all right, which is just paid traffic. Or I show you how to do a YouTube live video. Of course, it's not like the one I'm doing right now. It's just another method. There's a lot of methods to different stuff, right? But if you want to join the Udemy, you can actually click here where it says join here, and you'll be able to join Udemy. If you are in my team, in my Facebook group right now, that's why I have this video. Okay, what's going to happen is if you're watching this video on YouTube, then if you join the team, you'll get access to the site, right? But if somebody sponsors you in my team, you want to get back to the person that sponsored you, and you want to join under their link, all right? So that way you can start getting traffic, and people can get credit for the right person, right? That's how the stuff works. And then I show people how to make a live YouTube video. I have a video here on Backpage, how to get free traffic from Backpage. And I show you what I'm going to do, right? Today I'm going to list on day 2. And I'm actually going to open up this editor, which I have in here, right? And I also have, for other people out there who might be watching on YouTube, guys, check it out. How to contact prospects on Facebook after they opt in and you become your subscriber, right? Very powerful video. Not everybody's implementing that training. So check it out. I'm going to click on this little editor. This is a little editor I use to test my stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my capture page, copy, which is referral link B, right? And I'm going to come to this editor. And I'm actually going to do this real quick, all right, just to show you. I like to use this editor because I like to see what it does, right? And I show you how to do everything in the training video. I'm actually going to say, I'm going to put a little phrase in here. Click on image below for more information, right? All right, so click on image below for more information, and I'm going to add this little P in here with the, just like that. I'm going to hit run. As you can see, all I did is I added, okay, cool. I added this text up here and I gave it a little space, a little paragraph. That's all it means. Now I have my link B. I'm actually going to add it in here. So check this out, guys. And I go step by step in the training how to do this stuff, all right? So I got my link B in here. Now I need to go over to Google just to show you. It could be Yahoo, it could be Bing, it doesn't matter, right? So I'm just going to put in here home-based business. Oh, and I put Home Depot. Home-based business. And I'm going to hit images. Click on images right here. And I'm just going to look for an image that's out there on the web. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Whatever one you want, right? Whatever one you want to pick. Let me see here. I'm just going to scroll through some pictures here just to show you. Let me try this one, right? This one looks pretty cool, actually. No, this one says it costs something. I don't want to use that one. I'm trying to look something that has like a button, some type of a button, right? And I'm going to show you how you can actually start driving. And you can do the same thing for any business, right? Any business you can. Let me come back up here. Let me see, work from home, ask me how. This one's pretty cool. I'll just use this one, right? So I'm going to view the image. It's going to pop up this URL up here. I'm just going to copy it. It means this is on the web somewhere. And I'm just going to paste it in here, right? Right in here. I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to hit run. And just like that, I have my little image. It says click on image below for more information. So when people actually click on the image, they get driven to my capture page. That's all it is, guys. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to copy this code. All right, I'm going to head back to my training site, the one I built for you guys, and I'm going to go up here to day 2. And all I got to do, guys, is actually I'm going to close some of these tabs. I do not need them anymore. All right, I'm actually going to, and I show you how you can add these to your bookmarks, but I'm going to start with Los Angeles, right? Let me see if I'm actually logged in. If not, I have to log in real quick. Hopefully, my internet connection, once again, it runs up pretty good. For some reason, it seemed like it's not working. It's not up to. It started acting up again. Let's do this. Let me see here. Let me come back, see if there's any questions while we wait for this stuff to load up. Awesome. Some people watching. Orlando, don't forget to show the mail campaign. Oh, I will. Thanks, Bola. I will add the email, guys. Just give me a second. Let me see here. Hold on. Let me see. And it's not letting me load up, guys. But what I do is actually I provide the links here for you guys so you guys can start posting on the cities. And it's not letting me again. Nope, it's not letting me. But once you post on the cities, all you got to do is add that code in there. And I don't know if I'll be able even to do the campaign, guys. This is how I get free traffic. I want to do some other stuff too, but it's not letting me. Let me see here. Maybe if I move. Nope. Once again, guys, I want to apologize for that. But what I do, guys, I get free traffic from Backpage, okay? And I send them to my capture page. This one that costs $7. I get $6 commissions, and then I get sales on other companies. Now, when you decide to upgrade, that's what Orlando was talking about. What you can do is actually send out an email to your whole list, right? As you can see, it's not letting me, guys. I hate to break this webinar short just because let me see. No, there's no internet connection, but how can I be live, right? How can I be live if this stuff Nope, it's not letting me. I guess I'm gonna have to come back live in a few, guys. Well, once again, I'm gonna have to cut this webinar short. Figure out what the hell's going on with this stuff. But guys, if you want to build your list, click the link in the description if you're new, if you're watching this for the first time on YouTube. Once again, my name is TJ Flores, and partner up with us. It's only $7 to get started. Eventually, you want to come all in the team. Let me see here, getting started. Had an amazing week last week. I had over, once again, the income disclaimer, right? I wanted to share what's possible when you have a system in place. It's not letting me. Let's see. Yeah, no connection, guys. So I'm gonna have to cut it short. Unfortunately, I will see you guys in another video later on. I'm actually gonna go live in a little bit. So God bless, take care. Click the link, join the team, and you'll find out more about what we're doing. All right. So I will go live in a few once I